What's the meaning of bitzer? Bitzer. Bitzer.
Bitzer. Bitzer. The term bitzer can refer to a few different things depending on the context in which it is used. One common usage is as an Australian slang term for a mixed-breed dog, also known as a mongrel or mutt. The word can also be used to describe anything that has been cobbled together from various parts or pieces, such as a collection of mismatched tools or a hodgepodge of software code. In the computing world, a bitzer can also refer to a computer system that has been assembled from a mix of different hardware components rather than purchased as a complete package.